Okay, so bumpers. The trucks have tons of bumpers in them. These guys right here, they go in the doors. This little piece pops off. These get smashed down. Now my door's rattling around and making noise. My hood, if these go bad, it's going to come down and chip my paint. Sure don't want that. Got to make sure that it stops at the right point too. These are the ones that your hood rests on. Now these little babies right here, these go for your ashtray and your glove box door. And when these go bad, then you've got all that rattling on the inside. Get your truck nice, quiet, and comfortable. Just give us a call. We've got all of the bumpers already put together for you specifically for your year and make model of truck. So you don't have to go looking around for all of these things and trying to remember where they went or whatever. We've got them already in the kit for you. It's going to take care of the entire cab. Check us out on YouTube. Make sure you look for us every single week because I'm doing these every single week so we can get your truck back on the road looking good. We'll see you all there, man.